In this tutorial, we will see how to subtract hexadecimal numbers using 16's complement. We'll see two different cases. First, we'll solve the example 1. Assign the numbers as x and y for our calculation purpose. In step 1, find the 16's complement of y. To find the 16's complement, first we have to find the 15's complement. For this, subtract each and every digits from number 15. Subtract this. 15 minus 1 is 14, which is equivalent of E. 15 minus 7 is 8. 15 minus 9 is 6. 6, 8, E is the 15's complement. We have to find 16's complement. So add 1 with this. E is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15, which is F. 8, 6. 6, 8, F is the 16's complement of Y. In step 2, add x and 16's complement of y, which is 6, 8, f. F is equivalent of 15. So 1 plus 15 is 16. 16 is not a hexadecimal number. We'll convert this. The quotient is 1 and the remainder is 0. So the equivalent hexadecimal number is 10. In this, 0 is the sum and 1 is the carry. Write 0 here, carry 1. B is equivalent of 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 is not a hex number. We'll convert this. We'll divide this 20 by 16. Quotient is 1 and the remainder is 4. So the equivalent hexadecimal number is 14. In this, 4 is the sum and 1 is the carry. Write 4 here, carry 1. C is equivalent of 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 is not a hexadecimal number. We'll convert this. Divide this 19 by 16. The quotient is 1 and the remainder is 3. So the equivalent hexadecimal number is 13. So write 13. In step 2, carry is produced. Discard this carry. So the final answer is 340. Base 16. Next we will solve the example 2. Assign the numbers as x and y. In step 1, find the 16's complement of y. First find the 15's complement. Subtract the digits from 15. 15 minus 1 is 14, which is equivalent of E. B is equivalent of 11. So 15 minus 11 is 4. 15 minus C, C is equivalent of 12, so 15 minus C is 3. 3, 4, E is the 15's complement. Add 1 with this. E plus 1 is 15, which is equivalent of F. 4, 3, 3, 4, F is the 16's complement. In step 2, add X and 16's complement of y, which is 3, 4, f. F is equivalent of 15. So 1 plus 15 is 16. 16 is not a hex. Convert this into equivalent hex number. The quotient is 1 and the remainder is 0. So the equivalent hexadecimal number is 10. In this, 0 is the sum and 1 is the carry. Write sum here. Carry is the 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is equivalent of C. 9 plus 3 is 12, which is equivalent of C. C, 0 is the sum. In step 2, we don't have any carry. So take 16's complement for the sum. First find the 15's complement. Subtract the digits from 15. 15 minus 0, 15, which is equivalent of F. 15 minus C, C is 12, so 3. 3, 3, F is the 15's complement. Add 1 with this. F is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 is not a hex number. So the equivalent hexadecimal number is 10. 0 is the sum and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 3, 4, 3. This is a 16's complement. Finally assign the negative sign to the answer. So the final answer is minus 340 base 16. We'll summarize the steps. First, find the 16's complement for the subtrahend. Then add first number and 16's complement of the subtrahend. If carry is produced in the addition, discard the carry. Otherwise, take 16's complement for the sum and assign the negative sign. Thank you.